Here's what the teeth look like before you mold them. There are two types of mold. There is pink mold and there is white beads mold. I normally do not use the pink mold that comes with it. So what I do is I take off this pink mold. I take off the pink mold. And this is my white mold. You get a cup of very hot water. You put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. This is what the teeth look like. It's rubber. It is rubber to start off with, but it does turn hard. See? So you take this white mold and you put it in the hot water. In that mold, you let it sit in that hot water and it's going to turn really soft. It's going to turn clear. And if it doesn't turn clear, that means your water is not hot enough. So this is what my teeth looks like before I have the teeth. Now, after that mold is soft and clear, this is what it looks like. And then what you do is you see? See? You just and you let it you leave it in there for about 30 seconds.